This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In this video, we'll be looking at how to change the font style of your summary block heading. So here we've made a change to the summary block heading. Normally it will have the default style of the template, but we've adjusted it to have a unique font, and we've also changed the font color. Here's what it looks like normally. It just kind of takes on whatever the theme tells it to, like to blend in with the rest of the theme. But here we've modified it quite a bit. So I'll show you how to be able to modify the heading of your summary block. So the first thing you're going to do is to go into the backend of the site, click on design, go to custom CSS, and here you're going to type dot summary dash title dash link and add your opening and closing curly braces. And between that, you can type your custom font. In this case, I'm using Times. And then I'm also going to add a fallback font, which you should always add in case the browser that your end user is using doesn't support the first type of font. So my backup font is Arial. And next, I'm going to also change the color to red. And you'll notice that I'm adding the exclamation mark important at the end of each change, and that will override any of the default settings of the template. And you can also change the font size. So I'm going to set it to 25 pixels. I'm also going to add my important flag and I'll just hit save. And as you can see, we've been able to apply all those changes. So the font type or the font family has changed, the color has changed, and we've also increased the size of the summary heading font. And that's done all without affecting the rest of the font on the site.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.